Good evening, and thank you for watching Denver 7 News at 6. I'm Jessica Porter.
I'm Ann Trujillo, and we begin tonight with housing and Denver's somewhat perpetual quest to find solutions to get people off the streets and into permanent homes.
But first, some context tonight. While affordability is the biggest factor, there are a number of ways people can end up living on the streets and experiencing homelessness.
And those include addiction disorders, mental illness, and lack of affordable health care. So let's dig into the numbers now. Data from the Metro Denver Homeless Initiative shows 30% of people experiencing homelessness in Denver admitted to having substance abuse concerns. 36% said they struggled with their mental health.
Another factor contributing to homelessness is our nation's poverty level. According to the 2021 census, there are 37.9 million Americans living below the poverty level. That's just over 11.5% of the U.S. population. However, the biggest contributor to homelessness is cost of housing.
The city of Denver believes putting more money towards housing solutions will help the city's homeless population.
Denver 7's Christian Lopez begins our in-depth story on the city's new housing and homelessness plan.
And Christian, Denver now has a major budget to put towards housing solutions.
They do. The city will be using $254 million to address the housing and homelessness issue. Today we spoke to people who are living on the streets in Denver, and they are hoping that this will really help.
Denver got all kind of resources. It ain't like we don't have the money. They just don't address the issue as serious as it should be.
Michael Williams has been homeless in Denver for over a year.
You know, I'm on the inside, y'all are on the out, but a lot of people try. A lot of people been in programs for a year or two, and they still didn't get no results.
He's urging the city to do more, especially with winter right around the corner.
It's got to speed up. It's finna get cold out here. I don't want to see nobody out here this winter. And that's my prayer to God.
The city of Denver says its 2023 draft action plan aims to do just that.
We're committed to seeing everyone housed, and we won't rest until that occurs. We know that for anyone in a current experience of homelessness, until they are housed, it doesn't feel that enough is being done for them.
I did ask her what makes this plan stand out from what we've seen in the past.
There are $254 million in the 2023 planned budget at this point. When we looked just a few years ago, we had a budget of about $30 million for affordable housing.
They're also taking a page from Houston's book, a city that has had huge success addressing homelessness.
So what they are doing is having an encampment identified and prioritized, and then inviting all the people inside to bridge beds or a housing navigation center. And in that center, then they get matched to that long-term housing resource.
Going deeper tonight, these housing navigation centers will be expanding on the city's current shelters and creating new ones that invite people who are living in homeless encampments to these shelters, eventually placing them in long-term housing. Michael's hoping the city will come through.
Help us. If you call us, we'll come. If you say you're going to help me, I'm going to come see what you got.
And the city wants your input on this new action plan. There is a meeting set for October 18th, and there's also a survey you can fill out. We do have that on our website, denver7.com. Just look for this story. We're live in Denver. I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.
Christian, thank you. Denver's 2023 homeless plan and housing plan is a good 53 pages long, so let's go in depth on some of the key efforts in it. On page 23, city leaders say eviction filings are on the rise and on track to return closer to near-pandemic levels. Host or Denver's Department of Housing Stability plans to launch a new foreclosure prevention program aimed at reducing evictions for families who are income restricted. So the city will also boost the emergency rental assistance program to make sure people can remain in their homes. In total, Denver is aiming to help more than 8,000 households next year. Denver also hopes to create more than 1,700 affordable homes.
Whether these tactics help is still to be determined, but we do know that it is costly for the city of Denver to support the amount of people experiencing homelessness in the metro. Last August, the Common Sense Institute released a report on the state of homelessness in Denver. It found at least $481 million is spent annually on things like shelters, services, emergency response, and health care. The report finds that equals more than $40,000 per person experiencing homelessness. You can find the city's entire 2023 homelessness and housing plan up right now in Christian Story on Denver7.com. You can also view our past stories on housing and homelessness across Colorado on the free Denver 7 Plus app.